When you're looking to roll over your 401k into an IRA, you're likely seeking a smart way to safeguard your retirement savings and build a secure financial future. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the key steps to rolling over your 401k into an IRA and why this could be one of the most important moves you make in securing your future. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal how thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth and why you might want to consider this too. First off, before you take any action, understand that rolling over your 401k into an IRA is a smart move for many retirees. It gives you more control over your investments, flexibility, and potentially lower fees. So, how do you get started? The first step is to understand that you don't have to rush the process. You can roll over your 401k into an IRA once you've left your job, whether that's due to retirement, a job change, or another reason. It's essential to have the right strategy in place to ensure that you don't pay unnecessary taxes or penalties, especially if you're not yet 5912. The second step is choosing the right IRA account for you. Most people opt for a traditional IRA because it allows you to defer taxes until you start making withdrawals, which can be beneficial in the long term. However, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to explore a more robust option, a gold IRA is something you should consider. Gold IRAs allow you to diversify your retirement savings by holding precious metals, which historically have been a reliable hedge against inflation and market volatility. Now, once you've chosen the right IRA account, you'll need to initiate the rollover process. This usually involves contacting your 401k plan administrator and requesting a direct rollover to your new IRA. It's important to ensure the rollover is direct, meaning the funds are transferred directly from your 401k to your IRA without you ever handling the money. This step ensures you avoid any taxes or penalties. After you've completed the rollover, the next step is deciding how to allocate your funds. With a traditional IRA, you have a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But here's where you have an opportunity to really secure your future by considering a gold IRA. Unlike traditional assets, gold has a long-standing track record of protecting wealth during times of economic uncertainty. If you're looking for stability, this is a great option to look into. To make the most of your IRA rollover, it's crucial to research your options and seek guidance from experts. There are many different types of IRAs, and some come with high fees or limited investment options. That's why I encourage you to check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description below if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks. Thousands of Americans are choosing to open gold IRAs to ensure their hard-earned money is safe, and this guide will walk you through exactly how to do it. Once you've rolled over your 401k and allocated your assets, the next step is to monitor and manage your account. IRA custodians often offer online tools that make it easy to track your investments and adjust them as needed. The key is to be proactive and stay informed about how your portfolio is performing. For those who want to stay ahead of the curve and avoid the pitfalls of traditional investments, diversifying into a gold IRA could give you the edge you need. Finally, when it comes time to make withdrawals, you'll want to be strategic. With an IRA, you're required to start taking distributions at age 73, but by that time, you'll hopefully have built up enough wealth to live comfortably. A gold IRA can help ensure that your wealth continues to grow as you approach retirement and beyond. If you're thinking about rolling over your 401k into an IRA, make sure you're taking the steps that are in your best interest. And if you have 100k or more in your 401k or IRA, or even if you're a high net worth individual with over $5 in savings, this is the perfect opportunity to secure your financial future with a gold IRA. Click the first link in the description for your free gold IRA guide and get started today. By rolling over your 401k into an IRA and considering the added security of a gold IRA, you're not just securing your financial future, you're protecting your wealth from market volatility and inflation. Take control now and make your money work for you.